Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make WhatsApp group. So all you have to do is to launch your WhatsApp application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now the next thing to do here is you have to go to chats, and then here in chats, you have to click this three dots and then click new group, and then add here your members. Okay, so contacts on WhatsApp, all you have to do is to tap them, whoever you want to add to this group or to this group chat. And then once you're done, what you're going to do here is to simply tap this green arrow. Once you tap the green arrow, then you can add a group name, but this one is optional. You can also click this disappearing messages if you want. So if you want your message to disappear after 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days, or you just have to turn this one off. After that, click this check icon and now you're creating a group. And after that, you have created a group chat here on WhatsApp. So you can add members if you want to. And you can also rename your group information here by tapping this group info. You can change the name of your group. You can add, you can search, and do whatever you want. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.